No, you can talk back to her.
He's listening. No. Can you understand? She's so happy. She loves you guys. She loves you guys. Very special. Little sister. Oh.
What?
What?
Mama, she said Gaga.
I think so. Gaga means older brother.
Yeah, that's
She
right.
said Gaga.
Yeah, that's right.
She speaks Chinese.
Right.
She knows. You told her
Yesterday.
Chinese.
A little bit.
Amy.
Yeah.
Hey.
Then Robert. How means
Blue in Japanese. Oh, she's talking.
Oh.
Oh.